birthday, Nay!
Wish namin sa inyo, sana palagi po kayong healthy, masaya, at maganda.
Nay, lagi-lagi po ang pasasalamat ko sa Panginoon Diyos Jesucristo sa pagbibigay sa akin ng isang napakabuting ina katulad ninyo. Naway ang aking pong prayers ay pagkalooban pa po kayo ng mahaba pang buhay, lagi pong ligtas. At syempre, ang aking pong dasal, lagi po kayong healthy. At sana pagkalooban pa rin kayo ng maraming pagkakataon na kayo po lagi ay maging maligalig. Kasi yun ang palatandaan, lagi kayong masaya. Laging maligaligay ha, dapat huwag niyong mawawala na. I love you, Nay.
Happy birthday, Inay. Always remember that I love you so much and the entire family. If not because of you, we would not have achieved what we have today. So thank you for finding us and for fighting for us through the years. And you deserve the most elegant and class life now that you are a senior citizen. Always remember that you don't have to worry about anything because you almost have everything materially and non-materially. So I just hope you're happy for what we have become, and I just hope you will find and choose to be happy in the days to come. If you really love us, then you have to love yourself, and you have to be stronger and stronger, and be careful, no, when you're walking, especially when it's wet. It may fall you down, and that's the beginning of your agony, no? So choose to love, choose to be happy, and choose to enjoy your senior life. Not all have been given that opportunity to enjoy life beyond 70 years old, and just hope you will have more happy life ahead of today. So once again, from the Metro Manila Skyway, happy birthday, and always remember that we love you, and just hope our love is more than enough.
Hello, Inay. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. More blessings to come. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay pretty. We love you.
Hola, Inay! Happy birthday po sa inyo! Kayo ay mag-enjoy dyan at maging masaya, lagi lang healthy, at dapat stress-free ka, hindi ka na nag-isip ng iba-iba pa, basta mag-enjoy ka ng buhay mo. Lalahanin mo, life is short, you have to enjoy it to the fullest. We love you, Inay, we miss you. Happy birthday! Sana punta po kayo dito. Ngayong tag-init. Pero, kidding aside, Inay, basta mag-enjoy po kayo, mahal na mahal po namin kayo, at namimiss na po namin kayo. Hope to see you soon. Soon, sana.
We love you, Inay.
We love you, and God bless always.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Inay! We hope to celebrate Christmas in America.
I love you.
Hi, Inay! Happy birthday! I hope to see you soon. I love you and I miss you. Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Inay! Love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Inay! Thank you so much. I love you. Take care and stay healthy!
Hi, Inay! Happy birthday po! Wishing you more birthdays to come and good health.
Nandito lang po ako palagi para sa inyo for everything, Inay, especially your health concerns. Alam niyo po, ako ang inyong personal doctor po, Inay. So maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng effort at sa pagpapalaki po sa aming magpipinsan po. So, thank you po, Inay, and happy birthday po.
Happiest birthday to our dear Inay. Thank you for always loving and praying for the whole family. Ang wish ko lang, of course, is good health for you. And on your special day, bawal ma-stress. Enjoy lang. And we'll see you when you get back. Love you so much, Inay. Bless po.
Hi, Inay. Happy birthday. Love you. Ingat po.
Birthday, Inay, and to many more enjoyable years. As many years as you want.
Happy birthday, Inay. Happy birthday, Inay. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Inay. Happy birthday, Inay. We love you. Happy birthday, Inay. We love you.
Happy birthday, Inay! Happy birthday, Inay! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Inay!
Riam.
Happy birthday, Inay.
Zoe.
Happy birthday, Inay. We love you.
Happy birthday, Inay.
Happy birthday, Inay.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Inay. More birthdays to come. Ingat palagi. Always choose to be happy. And yun, love ka namin ng mga apo mo sa tuhod, apo mo pa sa mga talampakan. Basta, mga apo pa. So, ingat palagi dyan, Inay. You can always call us or you can always have chat us kapag kailangan mo po. Ingat palagi, Inay. We love you po.
Happy birthday, Inay. Love you.
Hello, Inay. Happy birthday po. We wish you po a good health and more blessings. And sana po kahit nasa malayo po kayo, maramdaman niyo po ang aming pagmamahal at mag-celebrate kami together with you with the Spirit. At I'm very happy po, nakasama ko po si Sherlyn at ang kanyang family at na-miss ko po kayo. Sana po magkita po tayo muli at lagi pong mag-iingat, alagaan ang sarili para hindi po magkasakit, and always have prayer. Of course, kasama po lagi kayo sa prayers po. And see you soon. Bye-bye po. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po, Inay. I wish you all the best in life. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and mag-iingat po kayo palagi.
Happy birthday, Inay!
Dami hali. Happy birthday po. Miss you.
Hi, Inay. Happy birthday. Wish ko po ay magsama po ulit tayo nila Melvin, nila Miko, Shine. Just hanging out like the old times. Nila AC, nila Star, nila Ninang, and Ninong. Ayun, I just want to say thank you for everything. I've been so grateful to have you and to meet you. You're such a beautiful soul po, inside and out. Ayun. God bless and love you, Inay.
Happy birthday, Lola Opre! We love you! Kamusta? Ingat mo lagi! Love you! Sabi mo kung Lola Opre!